Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Doing some geese hunting here in north central Kansas. So got about 2 weeks left of geese season, and yeah, we're gonna see what we can do out here in north central Kansas. And it's about 7:30 in the morning and the sun is coming up. We're gonna go around a lake here and check out where the geese are, what fields they're in. Let's kind of do some scouting this morning. So got 2 days here of hunting, and let's see what we can do. So stay tuned. All right, we're set up on a spot where we saw lots of Canadian and snow geese here earlier today. We're in a cut wheat field with some tall grass here. So we're gonna set up our blinds, set up our decoys in a J shape, and we got south wind. We're hoping that they come into the south wind into our set of decoys and see if we can't get some geese this afternoon. So we're gonna go ahead and get out here in the cut field and set up our decoys. Let's go. Alright, we got our J shape set up here. Hopefully the geese will fly into the south wind from the north, land here in our blind right here, and we're ready to shoot. Let's do it.
Yeah, but save that tall grass because we're gonna try to make a cone.
Okay.
Here to hide our heads. Does that make sense? So stuff it with the stuff I've already cut from this.
Yeah, the stuff up here.
Yeah, all
all this.
Not that stuff. We'll save, like I said, we'll save that for the very top.
So this goes into here.
Yeah, just
covering our front part.
Yeah, you put this stuff in here.
All right.
I think the bottom we're pretty good cover-wise.
Yeah.
So let's just get the top.
This?
Yeah, there's that there. Pull it up all the way. Awesome for turkey.
Yeah.
Slide that down.
Sure.
How's that for? Alright, so we'll grass this side in, and that side will be the door.
Okay.
Or which way they're flying in from?
They're gonna fly in this way.
Okay, so we want that side the door.
Right.
So this side needs to be grassed in really.
Alright, we got our blind set up here. We got put grass from our surroundings and put those in these little bands here around the two blinds that we have, and so So we're gonna go in here and get set up so we can wait for the geese to start flying here in about a couple hours. So here we go. Let's go on inside. How are we getting in here?
You flag him. Huh? Flag him. We've got a couple coming our way.
Okay, just hold tight.
Just two broke off. Straight ahead.
Yeah.
Another group in.
Yeah, just hold tight. Try him. Kill him.
Reload, 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 get down. Coming in.
Yeah. Coming over our head or coming into the decoys?
Yep, yep. Over our head
Both.
and to the decoys. On all sides.
They're awfully high still.
Yeah.
Right there. No, no.
Yeah. You think they're at the very end of the field?
No, they're not very far.
Oh, what's up above us here? Ducks or geese?
Ducks.
Oh, okay.
Ball out of shells.
Hmm?
Ball out of shells.
How much time we got?
1 minute.
Huh?
1 minute.
1 minute.
Try him high. You got a minute. Try him. You guys suck.
Yeah, apparently.
Damn it! I don't see him. Oh, there he is. Holy shit. Something's coming in up above. Okay.
Maybe. 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 Yep. Yep. Wait.
I don't see him.
Huh?
Oh, there he is. Holy shit. Go.
Yep.
No. Hey, we fucking got one. Son of a bitch. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Going to get it.
Okay.
Dead birds in the field. More are coming.
Good. Alright, we got one bird down.
Doubt those, they probably saw me. 2 more, possibly those might be ducks.
Got your next shell in?
Huh?
Got your next shell in? You shot one.
Yeah.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. God, he swirled right around into that hook. That was awesome.
Yep. Jesus.
Holy cow.
Gonna get them all up and moving.
Pheasant going.
Oh, the banded bird.
Oh my God, you're picky.
Huh? No, I
Never satisfied.
just one of these days I'd like to do a banded bird. Be cool. Oh, okay. Alright, we got a group.
Okay.
I don't know.
Here we go. Here comes some in.
To us. I don't know.
Here comes some from behind. Let me see the flag. There they are.
Sweet.
Here they come. Just wait, 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 wait. Wait, wait, wait. 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 Now. You got one down at least. Two.
Got one wounded in the field, I think. It's still alive.
Okay.
Hold.
Okay.
Got 2 alive still in the field.
Oh, really?
He's not alive.
We have anything flying?
Yeah. We got 3 down, I think. We have 1 frog that's on the ground.
Oh, that's seagull.
We got 1 dead here.
Yeah.
1 that's on 2 legs but not moving anymore.
One that's sitting that's
1
alive.
that's sitting that's wounded.
Okay, so
I'm gonna try to, this one that's standing, I'm gonna try to pop him from here. If this other one gets up and moves, that's close to the decoys, you kill it.
alright. Is there another one flying in?
Yeah, we got some coming in. Maybe. No, they're 5 alive right there.
Get him?
Yeah. Cover me. Okay?
Okay.
I don't want us both out there and then have some birds that can shot.
Okay.
After these pass, I'm gonna go get them.
Okay. I'm not. Inside the blind or back here?
Yeah, just.
I think back here is fine. Here comes a group right behind us up high. This could be promising, maybe. Come on, come in.
Let's pack up and go to breakfast.
Okay. Well, we did pretty good in the blind here. We got 4 here, which isn't too bad. We had 2 groups come in this morning. We had just 1 solo come in, and we got him. Yeah, our setup with the J shape here really worked. I thought they came right in and decoyed on us, so that was good. And we had our blind here. What's the name of that blind, Keith?
Heavy hauler.
We got the heavy hauler blind. We bought 2 of them, one for the front, one for the back, and yeah, we just we used some grass to cover us up, so worked well. But we're gonna call it a morning here as far as sitting in the blind, and it's gotten really windy, about 20 miles per hour, and of course we just had a group come in on us as we're packing up. That's usually how it goes with waterfowl hunting. But we're gonna pick up our decoys here, and we're gonna go ahead and head back to the truck and probably drive around and do some more scouting along the lake and see if we can't find some public fields to hunt some more geese in. So yeah, it's a great morning, and we found a good field for them to come feed in. So hopefully you enjoyed some goose hunting here this morning. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to Ryan M Outdoors, and I really appreciate your guys' support. Almost to 100 subscribers, and hoping to meet that number. So hopefully you can help me get to 100, and we'll try to keep doing some hunting. We only have about a week left here in Kansas. I don't know if I'll be able to make another trip, but it was fun here today. And anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.